This is Shaun Lee's Corsa VXR.
And it's dead.
Now is fixing time.
So let's get it pushed into the shed, let's get it dismantled and see how bad the damage is.
But there is one major problem. The Corsa is here, the workshop is all the way over there. Right, you ready for this, Shaun?
I am indeed. Oh, this thing's heavy as There we go. We're making good pace. Making good pace, guys. Yes. Gently.
Yeah. Wow.
Is it clear that side? I can't see.
Yeah, it's clear now.
There we go.
So we've just got it in. Now all we need to do is get it on the left and then diagnose it.
Up we go. Okay. For anyone who knows this car previously, you'll see there's a whole load of, well, oil. See oily fingers? Because he had a massive oil leak. Yeah, this is the engine here. And this is where the issues are. I think first of all, we have to take the sump off. We're gonna have to take the head off. We have to take all that stuff off. But let's lower the car. Let's have a look at the engine bay, and then we'll carry on from there. Here she is, guys. Basically, what we need to do is, so we need to take these out, take the coil or spark plugs out. That just comes disconnected there. We basically need to disconnect every single thing on top of this engine, remove it, then disconnect everything from the bottom, remove the sump, and then we can have a look and see what the issues are. Now for this one here, we need to take the head gasket off and the head off. So, okay, so there's that. You can see if you look down here, you can see spark plugs. See spark plugs down there, guys?
There they are.
There's one there, down there.
So there we go.
And on every single hole.
And
there.
everyone.
So I've got all these bolts loose, as you can see. It's loose here. Just give it a bit of a wiggle. Some of those, yeah, might still have a few threads on them. As easy as that. Now we need to get the timing belt taken off. Just comes up, pull straight out. Yeah, so the timing belt in this car was done about 300 miles ago. That's something you don't hear very often. So for ease sake, what we're gonna do is, right, we need access in here, and we need a decent bit of access. Now obviously this cover here is in the way, which is okay. And you see, the minute I start like dismantling here, we're gonna get more space. Oh, that's good. No oil. That's good. Very good sign. Oh. That is an exceedingly bad sign. That is a very, 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 very bad sign. Oh no, 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 no. I can't see in there.
You want me to get a camera in there?
That's not a good sign. Oh dear me. I can see all the pistons except for that one. There may not be a piston in there. Piston, right? Piston's at that level, right?
Mm-hmm.
Piston's there. Piston's there, which means this piston here should be at that height, right?
Okay.
There's no piston there. That's the sump. Okay, what we're gonna do, let's lift the car. Let's drain the oil and see if we can find the piston on the crankshaft, or on the sump.
This is gonna be a long night.
Loading, strap with the lyrics like I'm bowling. Pushing on, keep rolling. And when they listen, but I told him one more time. Your favorite MCs, bronze or silver. These raps here are golden. Cards on the table, there's no.
I'm just really glad nothing came through the sump, which is a good sign.
Yeah.
Because that's usually what happens. Oh dear me.
Why?
This has got a magnet at the bottom. Right, this is not a good sign, right? So if you have a performance car, or you have a car with like upgraded sump plug, they have magnets. So let's have a look at this, right? That's pieces of piston or whatever it is. Like, oh dear. So on the bottom of the sump, you have a 10mm, it's actually an E10, is what you call it, screws that go into the sump, but I don't have an E10 that's very long or very thin, so I need to turn this down. Once these are all loosened and out, we'll then take off the sump and find the remnants of what's left.
You excited?
No. No, not one bit. Got it! There's a hole!
Let's see it.
No, there's fuck all, there's pistons.
Ah!
Here's pistons. I found the pistons. Piston!
All of that right there is all your missing piston.
Plus this. Piston. It's not great. I mean, this thing's gonna need a new oil pump, because if any of this shit's gone through the oil pump, well, it's gonna just fucking heat it to shit.
Yeah.
That's our engine looking here. There's other pieces in the side as well.
Yep, right there. Hold on.
So on that bombshell, it's time to end.
Thanks everyone for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Wait around for part 2, coming soon. See you next time, guys. Bye.
That is a piston. That is a spark plug came out.
Where's the con rod?
Oh, yep, we're
No!